Want to set up a new X account? Here's the fastest way to do it. First, open your App Store or Play Store, search for X, and download it. Once installed, open the app. You can instantly sign in with the Google or Apple, but today let's create a brand new account from scratch. Tap Create Account. Enter your email address right here, and you will receive a confirmation email to verify. Then you will enter your name, date of birth, hit next. You customize your tracking settings here or just skip, and create a strong password that is at least 8 characters long. Pro tip, use a dedicated email address to keep your notifications organized. Now let's set up your profile. Upload a picture from your camera roll or skip it for now. Next, choose a unique username. If your first choice is taken, you need to pick another one. From here, simply finalize your preferences. Choose whether to enable notifications, decide if you want to sync your contacts, and pick a few interests to instantly personalize your timeline. Follow a few recommended accounts, tap next, and that's it. Your account is live. Just tap the profile icon top left to check it out. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe.